Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sushma Saralla, consultant homeopath at Fidicus Homeopathy. Body changes. Now let's dive into the pathophysiological part of development of the fibroid. If we take our body, if you're suffering from obesity or if you're having insulin resistance or if you're eating food which is high in red meat, okay, this will cause lifestyle changes and all will cause increase in estrogen. Okay, what does this estrogen do is that this estrogen will trigger sometimes in hyperestrogenic state. It can form two things. One is PCOS can be formed, which is of different pathology, but it can also trigger the cells in your myometrium of the uterus. Okay, so what happens is that this cell, which is supposed to be into two, will be producing 6 to 8 cells. There is increased mitosis or increased cell division. Okay, and also not only that, this estrogen will cause increase in ECM, extracellular matrix. These cells which are produced, the fibroid cells, are more prone or will generate more or will proliferate more in even a little bit of estrogen. When you compare a normal endometrium cell to a normal fibroid cell or a fibroid cell, if you are having, for example, say 5% of estrogen, if this endometrium is proliferating at the rate of 1%, this fibroids will proliferate at the rate of 10%. So they are more susceptible or have more receptors for estrogen as well as progesterone. So what is the role of estrogen? It can trigger cell growth and also it can maintain the cell growth. And remember, this progesterone will add to the mitotic part, which will help in further division of the fibroid, which will help in growth of the fibroid. And not only that, increased extracellular matrix will make it larger, thicker and fibrous. There are stages in the fibroid which we'll be discussing later. So remember, obesity in nowadays is the major cause where it can cause hyperestrogenic state, and also consumption of high red meat can cause hyperestrogenic state, which will trigger the stem cells to cause or proliferate a lot, and that will cause ECM to rise, where it will be bound like a small circle or a small tumor, and also the progesterone level will make it grow. It depends on how your hormones are. If your hormones are well balanced, then maybe that fibroid can be in the size of a grain, like for example a wheat grain. But if your hormones are fluctuating really faster, then it can grow larger. It depends upon the hormonal level and the lifestyle that you're leading. Let's get into the consultation part at Fidicus Homeopathy. Here at Fidicus, we have two kinds of consultations: online consultation and offline consultation. In online consultation, we have two options, which is audio consultation and video consultation. If you are not staying anywhere near the nearest branch of Fidicus, you can get in touch with the given number. You can consult us through the audio call or through the video call. We will get in touch with you. You can share your investigations with us and we will give you doctor consultation. And not only that, we will be providing you with higher grade top rated medicines which will be delivered directly to your doorstep. If you're staying in India, it will take about 3 to 4 business days. If you're staying in USA, it can take up to 3 to 5 business days. And apart anywhere from this, it can take up to 4 to 8 business days for your medicine to be delivered at your doorstep. If you're staying near the nearest branch, you can come and contact us in person, where we will be giving you doctor consultation. If you're watching this video and you're suffering from fibroids and you want to cure it, you can consult us at Fidicus Homeopathy. You can consult us through WhatsApp, call or ping a message through this number. If you're suffering from fibroids and you want to relieve it and cure it and you have homeopathic physicians near you, why do you want to opt for Fidicus Homeopathy? Here at Fidicus, it is highest chance of health and we follow these 3 principles. First is the highest success rate that we experience. Second is the transparent treatment. There is no gray area with the patients. It's always black and white, where we give you what sort of plan we are following. And not only that, the personal care here at Fidicus is top notch. So if you want to opt for homeopathy, try choosing Fidicus Homeopathy. Thank you.